Hello, in this presentation I'm going to show you how we visually connect tables. As you can see, for this presentation I'm using Macintosh. I have used this VMware Fusion software in order to create a virtual machine. On this virtual machine I first installed Windows 7 and then on top I installed SQL Server 2012. So I have two environments. I have macOS and Windows. It is the same idea. Please contact me if you have Macintosh to help you how we can do the same thing. So connect. Okay then. So I expand this folder, databases, and as you can see, I have already prepared for you this motor vehicle insurance. A small part of this. I expand this folder and I go here to tables, expand this folder. I have created TBL drivers, TBL violation code, and this TBL link violation codes. Okay then, now right click here and let's see the design. As you can see, I have created a minimum portion of the TBL drivers. Int driver ID, which is the primary key, and str title. For violation codes, I have also right click a minimum part, the primary key, and a short description. Now here I have taken the primary keys from the original two tables, drivers and violation codes, and I have used them here. This is the foreign key in driver ID. This is foreign key. However, in combination, so I selected both rows, right click and then set primary key. But in combination, this made a composite primary key for this table. Okay then, this is what I have prepared for you. Of course, as you can see at the written assignment for this week, I'm asking you to fully create the tables, all the columns for each table, and create the diagram of all the database schema, and then add 2 rows for each table. Now, what I want to show you is how we visually connect the tables. You go to database diagrams, right click, and you say new database diagram. Click. The tables appear here, and we add them. Add the drivers, add the link violation drivers, and the violation codes. Close. Okay then, so let me have a better visual arrangement here so you can see what we're doing. I drag this one here, okay, and I put this one here. Oops, sorry. Put this one. I'm recording as well, and we have some reduction to the speed. Okay then, so we have these 3 tables. This is how we are going to work. I go to the TBL drivers, okay, click, then I drag and I leave it on this int driver ID, which is the foreign key. Okay then, primary key from TBL drivers, int driver ID, foreign key in TBL link violation drivers, int driver ID. Okay, this is what we're going to do. we are connecting the two tables using the primary key foreign key relationship. Okay. So, one to many, one to many. Primary key, foreign key here. We do the same thing for this table. Drag and leave it here. Okay. Primary key STR violation code for this table, foreign key STR violation code for the TBL link violation drivers table. And I click OK. And OK here. So, as you can see, I have one to many relationship. One part, the primary key here, and the many part to the foreign key here. So these three tables have been visually connected. Okay then, now we are ready to insert rows for these three tables. I emphasize that when you start inserting rows, first you will insert rows for the drivers and the violation codes. And then you will insert rows for this one. And for any insertion you do here, make sure that the values exist here and here. In other words, if I have a row with int driver ID 1, only one row, and here STR violation code 1 in a new row for this table, if you go here, make sure that you put 1 and 1, because only these two values exist in these tables. That's all for the moment for this presentation. Thank you.